Press it. You need to turn it on the lamp. Dark, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to put it straight up. You gotta put on the light. I'm supposed to be 4 months eating this.
Disgusting. Stop feeding her too much.
She's mean.
Yeah.
She's not choking. Yeah.
Look at her mouth. It's disgusting.
She go like that. Suck it in. Hey, you're not making a big mess. How many babies are making a mess and they spitting it out, but you're just swallowing it in. Look. Woohoo, my love. You're so funny. Chubbs.
Keep puffing.
Can you press it?